Hi students, today we will discuss about marginal utility analysis. As we all know, in economics we use the term marginal utility. Do you know what's the meaning of the word marginal? Marginal means additional. Marginal utility analysis was introduced by Alfred Marshall, the famous British economist. Then, before discussing about what is his theory of law of diminishing marginal utility, let's look what is marginal utility and what is total utility. Total utility is the sum total of utility that a consumer derived by consuming a lot of commodities. ഒരു കൺസ്യൂമർ അയാൾ കൺസ്യൂം ചെയ്യുന്ന കമ്മോഡിറ്റിയിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടുന്ന ടോട്ടൽ യൂട്ടിലിറ്റിയാണ് അതിൻ്റെ അഡീഷണൽ യൂട്ടിലിറ്റി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന യൂട്ടിലിറ്റിയാണ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ടോട്ടൽ യൂട്ടിലിറ്റി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ എ കൺസ്യൂമർ കൺസ്യൂം 5 commodities, for example A, B, C, D, E. Then total utility means that is utility derived from A commodity plus B plus C plus D plus E. Then we get the total utility. Okay. Then let's look what is marginal utility. I already said marginal means additional. So marginal utility means additional to total utility when one more unit consumed. For example, from 5 commodities I got the utility 20 units. Then and when I consume one more unit, 6th unit, I got the total utility 28. That means from the 6th unit I got an additional unit or additional utility of 8 unit. That is known as marginal utility. Similar ആയിട്ട് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 5 commodity കൺസ്യൂം ചെയ്തതിൽ നിന്ന് എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയ യൂട്ടിലിറ്റി 20 ആണ്. ആറാമത്തെ ഒരു കമ്മോഡിറ്റി കൂടി കൺസ്യൂം ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ അതിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടിയ ടോട്ടൽ യൂട്ടിലിറ്റി ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ആ 6 കമ്മോഡിറ്റിയിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടിയ ടോട്ടൽ യൂട്ടിലിറ്റി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 28 യൂണിറ്റ് ആണ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് additional utility from the last unit is 8. That is the marginal utility. Okay. So we can define marginal utility as it is the additional to total utility when one more unit consumed. Now let's look what is law of diminishing marginal utility. This theory developed by Alfred Marshall. In his own words, we can say that it is the additional benefit which a person derived from the additional unit of a thing goes on increases as he get more of it. In a simple language, that is, if a person consume the same commodity continuously, his marginal utility goes on diminishing. It becomes zero and it becomes negative. ഒരു കൺസ്യൂമർ ഒരു കമ്മോഡിറ്റി കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ആയിട്ട് കൺസ്യൂം ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ കമ്മോഡിറ്റിയിൽ നിന്ന് അയാൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന മാർജിനൽ യൂട്ടിലിറ്റി അഡീഷണൽ യൂട്ടിലിറ്റി ഇറ്റ്സ് ഗോസ് ഓൺ ഡിമിനിഷിങ് ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് ബിക്കംസ് സീറോ ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് ബിക്കംസ് നെഗറ്റീവ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് നോൺ ബൈ ദ തിയറി law of diminishing marginal utility. Let's take an example. Here I given an example of chocolates. So suppose a consumer consume 11 unit of chocolates continuously. What happened to his total utility and marginal utility? Let's look in the diagram. Here shown that is the number of chocolates. 1 to 11 chocolates are he consumed continuously. That's an assumption of this theory. The consumption should be continuous and equal quantity. Okay, equal quantity, that is the size should be equal. Then what happened to his total utility? U means total utility. What happened? His total utility, we can see that is it goes on increasing. Then when the 10th unit he got the total utility 99. From the 11th unit it goes on small diminishing, that is 95. Then what happened to the additional or marginal utility? From the first unit 30, then that is marginal utility in the starting stage it is increasing. Then onwards it is started declining and then it becomes zero and then it becomes negative. That means if a person consumes continuously the same commodity, his marginal utility first stage is high. then goes on diminishing and it becomes zero and it becomes negative. Okay, this is known by the name the law of diminishing marginal utility. When we represent this table in a diagram, we got a diagram of marginal utility that's shown that is marginal utility is diminishing. Okay, let's conclude what is law of diminishing marginal utility. So Alfred Marsh says that if a person or a consumer consume the same commodity continuous manner, his marginal utility goes on diminishing and it becomes zero and even it becomes negative. So this theory will help you to decide or to take a decision where we want to stop the consumption. Okay, so that's the practical importance of this theory. And this theory helps the producer to decide the price of the commodity. And this is the importance or the use of law of diminishing marginal utility. Thank you.